and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Sophie, and today I'm back with a video that will show you guys how to create or recreate the ombre lip. The ombre lip look has been existing for ages, but suddenly, boom! Everybody wants to do the same look. But if you don't know how to create this look, then I'm glad you're here because I'm going to show you exactly how to. I'd also be pointing out popular mistakes that people make when creating this look, and I'll be showing you exactly how to correct it. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I just wish. So first off, I'll make sure I put a bit of powder on my upper lips and a bit of moisture on my lower lips. I don't know if this is how everybody does it, but I do it all the time and it works for me. Then I'm going with my lip liner or brow pencil to start the trick. Ensure to use the side of the pencil and not the tip. You can create an X-like look on the top of your lip if you're trying to come up with a shape.
We're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, 'cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. Yeah, you look stunning, dear, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become beautiful people, drop top designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people, rolled up notes, prenups and broken homes, surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. Oh, we are not beautiful. Drove for hours last night and we made it no.
Most lip liners and brow pencils do not last long. For this purpose, you'll be filling your lips with lip stain or lip colors.
I'm not fazed by all them lights and flashing cameras, 'cause with my arms around you there's no need to care. We don't fit in well, we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. Yeah, you look stunning, dear, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become beautiful people, designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people, roll up notes, prenups and broken homes, surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party, that's not who we are. Oh, we are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. Oh, we are not beautiful.
Yeah, I dey fear ojuju, I dey fear of falling. I dey fear ojuju, I dey fear. It's like this love thing, girl, is not for me. Oh, walolo, I dey fear of falling. I dey fear ojuju, I dey fear. I am fed up of falling and falling again. I'm falling again, oh boy. I got to say, a lot of things come to play. I'm all for the matter every day. If you to make money crazy, oh baby, I know be saint, oh, but this matter make me faint, oh. This kind thing we depend. If you to make him angry, color, I'm afraid of falling in love again. Oh. Baby, I got scars, baby, and you know it pains me, gone. 'Cause me no one cry, me no one shed tears. Me and they try, 'cause you making me senseless, giving me nightmares. Call me paramedic, 'cause me I need healthcare. Oh no, I don't know how.
That's the end of my video, guys. I hope this video fulfilled its purpose, and I also hope that it was easy to learn. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment guys, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video to every and anyone who you think should watch it. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.